Hi, and happy anniversary. Hey, 15 years. It's Symmetry's anniversary. We started in 1995 with a great idea to change people's lives around the world for the better. And folks, we are doing that. Here we have, in 1995 when we started, they said it'd never last. They said, oh, 1 year from now they won't be in business. 2 years from now they won't be in business. And here we are 15 years later. Symmetry has withstood the test of time. And not only that, we're better now than ever before. That's right, our products are better than they've ever been. Remember, we told you right from the beginning, our products are never done. New science, new information, new technology, we're constantly adding it to our products. Look at just our Genesis formula, how many upgrades there have been to that product over the years because of the new science and technology, and now with Extranol 24 that no one else on this earth has. We've increased our opportunity because of our support systems, the trainings, the opportunities we give you through our customer service department, through our field services department, all of the various training events and exciting things that we have for you. And of course, also, we've constantly enhanced the business through our opportunity, helping people to earn more money than they've ever had the opportunity to earn, not just in the United States of America, but all over the world. And you know what the best part of all of this is? Even though here we are 15 years old and we've withstood the test of time, it's never been better than right now for new people to get involved. Why? Because Symmetry is growing and going. Our international markets are expanding consistently. We're still growing across America. We've got new products that we're adding constantly. Folks, there's never been a better time than now. So, I want to thank you all for what you have done to make Symmetry such a success story over the last 15 years. But you know what? Let's go out and make the next 15 twice as good. Thanks. Happy anniversary, Symmetry.